How to create a landing page on existing Wix website. So in order to do that, make sure to click onto this page's icon that you can see right there. Now in here we have these options. Click onto this add new page, and then you have the option to add a standard blank page, a dynamic page, as well as custom member page. For this case, I'll just choose this dynamic page and click on add. So in here, this will actually input or show up this particular page option. So you can choose a collection for your dynamic page that you want. We have in here these kinds of pages like list page, item page, blank page, as well as manage item page. So for this case, let's choose in here an item page and click on add to site. Now from in there, this will create that pages and it will add that dynamic added item page. Just wait for this to successfully load. So this is the page right now. As you can see, it's still just like this. We have connections, we have page datasets and the likes. So in order to successfully make it a landing page, you can head over and then edit the actual part that we have. So since the landing page is actually a separate website, what you can do is you can just copy the actual part or the actual design of that landing page and integrate it into this part. So make sure to just edit this and customize it in order to be a landing page that you want. You can input right here the item content like the name, email, the description, photo, theme item, birth date, and you can also add a field for based on this one. Once you're done, click on save and it should be able to be reflected into your landing page right there. So that's how you create a landing page on existing Wix website. Hope we helped.